Hello, my name's Matthew Crampton. I'm the South Island agronomist, part of the PGG Wrightson Technical team. And today I'm standing at a paddock of cereal. Now, when we think about what drives the yield of these crops, we think about the leaf area and trying to keep the leaf area healthy for as long as possible. Well, what could possibly be trying to attack the leaf area of our cereal crops? Well, we have a lot of diseases, particularly fungal diseases, which reside in our paddocks or in neighbouring paddocks, and they will try and attack our cereal crops and reduce the leaf area, which will have an impact on the final quality and yield of our cereal crops. One particular scenario of concern is second year crops. So if we've had barley in the paddock the previous year, and then we decide to go into barley again for the following year, we have to take particular care to watch those early stages of the crop, that if there's any fungal disease starting to creep in, we're proactive and start to take a protective approach to keeping the disease off those early leaves. Because particularly with barley, those lower leaves are the ones which have a large contribution to the final yield. Righty-ho, so we've crouched down into the crop so we can get a closer look. And if we start to have a bit of a look down here in the canopy of the crop, we find the young leaves up the top nice and healthy, nothing going on there. But if we get down to the base of the plant here, we've got a bit of disease coming in on the lower leaves, and we have to make sure that we try and control that and prevent that getting it further up into the plant. One of the key timings around fungicides in cereals is about now, when the crop's starting to stand up a little bit. Now we can identify what stage our crop is at by picking a plant within the paddock and cutting it open and taking a look. Now I suggest that this does require a little bit of skill and experience, so get in touch with your local PGG Wrightson representative and they can walk you through it. So thanks for joining me this afternoon, having a look at this barley crop, and hopefully you've learned a little bit about driving the yield and getting maximum benefit out of your fungicide timings in your barley crops. Just remember, the lower leaves and stems is what drives the yield in your barley crops. If you want more information, please get in touch with your local PGG Wrightson representative or go around and have a visit with your local store. I'm sure they'll be keen to help.